can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the.
So we're coming up to one of our favorite beaches. The locals call it Beer Can Islands. It's actually just south of Anna Maria in Longboat. Just pretty. It's late in the year, so the water doesn't appear that blue right now, but usually it's like bluish green water, white sand, and just gorgeous out there. The sunsets are spectacular. Fishing piers. One of our favorite places. We've come here for many years and just enjoy it. It's just so beautiful. Usually not that crowded either, so.
Usually very calm water as well.
Yeah. This is a rough day. Normally it's not quite as rough as that. Nice white sand, just so pretty. Here's one of the fishing piers they have for you. Hey, I think the tide's coming in pretty high. Okay. That's okay. Maybe if we make a run for it. How you doing? Looking at that drone around. Ah, here we go again. There goes that shoe. Hey, that's what you get at the beach. It's all good. All right, here's the journey through the mangrove swamp. I don't think there's any like swamp monsters in here, so don't worry. All right, this is where a lot of my pretty pictures come out of, depending on what the driftwood looks like. Right when you get out of here, and you get some trees in the background, and the sun, and the waves. Oh, just love it. Love it, love it. Beer Can Island. What's funny is there's no beer cans anywhere. Maybe that means you bring beer cans, you drink them, and you take them home with you in respect of the nature of the island and the beauty. Or at least that's what I'm gonna think anyway. Well, I've got to climb through the forest here. Maybe I will find that swamp monster. See if she's gonna make it all right. Hey, you did better than I did. Whoa, I keep kicking stumps. Oh, wait a minute. I see a trail. Whoa! I've heard of drinking and driving, don't do that, but selfieing and walking through a stick forest, pretty tough too. Isn't it great? I know. I love it too. Well, I'll be brave. I'll go back down to the shore again. See if I can set up one of those pretty shots. Oh, nice. Here, let's get little leaves up here. There you go. Longboat Key. It's one of those beautiful places you don't really know where you're gonna go until you're there. You find something you like and you just hang out, take over the spot for a while.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat.